McGregor Police Department is searching for Aishalyn Cross, white, female, 14 years old, 5 feet 2 inches, 105 pounds, black hair, hazel eyes, last seen wearing unknown clothing. The McGregor Police Department is searching for Emily Solomon, white, female, 14 years old, 5 feet 1 inch, 175 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing unknown clothing. Unknown suspect or vehicle description. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the McGregor Police Department. News media point of contact is McGregor Police Department at 254-840-2855.